minus 1 by 2, sir.
Okay. So theta value is 11 pi by 6. Okay, then cos theta. So 11 pi by 6 can be written as. So what is the nearest value to 11 which is divisible by 6? 12. Am I right? 12 pi minus 5 all divided by 6. We can 11 can be written as 12 minus 1. Now write it separately. Now we are going to get 2 pi minus 5 by 6. Am I right? Okay, students. Now cos theta is equal to cos of theta value is 2 pi minus 5 by 6. What is cos 360 minus theta? 360, 36, even cos becomes cos. Okay, cos pi by 6, but it is belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, what about input? Input is cos. Okay, cos is clearly positive. So what is cos of this 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Yes, cos 30 is
Root 3 by 2, sir.
right. In the same way, what is sin theta then?
Sir, 1 by
Sin
2.
right, 2 pi minus pi by 6. It is equal to. Is it plus 1 by 2 or minus 1? Minus sine pi by 6. That is minus 1 by 2. Student, you should do very carefully. The question is cos theta plus sin theta, right? So that is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. So which one of the following option is correct?
Third option.
Third one, sir.
That's all. The next 24th question. You see that the 24th question, the value of sine n pi plus minus 1 whole power pi by 4 n belongs to I is anyone.
First quadrant. As it belongs to first quadrant, all the trigonometric bases will be positive, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is given that pi by 4, sir, which is 45 degrees, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sir. So second option.
Right. The value of sine. So you should be remember that first try to take the least value. So then even though if you substitute n belongs to I they given, simply if you substitute n is equal to 0, what is the value? 0 plus minus 1 whole power 0. Nothing but we are going to get pi by 4 alone. Am I right? The answer will be
Pi by 4, sir.
24th students. They are asking the value of sine and pi. General solution they given actually. Actually here y. We written y, but y value they given as pi by 4. Am I right? Now here n is belongs to integer. So when you take n is equal to 0 or 1 or 2, so on like that. So whatever the value you can take, the same answer we are going to get. Surely, right? Okay, instead of that, better to take 0 alone. Sine 0 into pi, 0 plus minus 1 whole power 0 into pi by 4, that is equal to sine pi by 4. Am I right? 0 plus minus 1 whole power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 1 into pi by 4, pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2. If you get doubt, you can take n is equal to whatever you want, like minus 1. Take minus 1. Take minus 2, minus 3, so on. For all the cases, you are going to get plus 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 alone. Okay, that's all. 1 by root 2. Then next question. 25th. Okay, it's again first find the sine square plus sine power 4 plus sine power. It is infinite series. Infinite series, and first you have to find the value of that sine square, sine power 4 plus sine power 6 plus so on. It is infinite series. Okay, what is the common, students, here? What is the common?
Sine square.
Sine square is common. The remaining 1 plus s square plus s power 4.
They are in GP and find the value, no, sir.
We can do directly also. Yes.
They are in GP, no sir. R is sine square, no sir.
Yes, exactly. This is in GP. Okay, exactly. This is in GP. And also clearly they mention the domain. This is very, very important. Because you know, when you take x is equal to, if they give pi by 2, what about this value? Ma? When I take x is equal to 90, what is sine 90?
1, sir.
When x is equal to 90, sine 90 value is 1. If I replace here 1, 1, 1, so on, infinite. So what is the answer? The answer will be infinity. So that is the reason they clearly given in the question lesser than 90, lesser than 90. So lesser than 90, if you take any value of theta, the value of sine will be lesser than 1. At 90 only maximum value we can reach. For other values other than 90, if you take any angle, sine becomes lesser than 1. So finally, here we got it, the value like okay, it is in the form of 1 plus r square, so on, like this. Am I right? Here r value is sine square. What is sine square, Amma? Sine square. See, when here 0 lesser than x lesser than pi by 2, sine x value is lesser than 1. Then what about sine square x? Students, squaring on both sides. 1 square is 1 alone. Sine square x also lesser than 1. Am I right? Okay. When I comparing here, we got our common ratio is s square. S square lesser than 1. Whenever here 1 plus r square, so on, plus infinite series, okay, and here r is lesser than 1, then in that case, yes, c square. This is s infinity I am taking. S infinity in the sense sum of infinite terms. S infinity is 1 by 1 minus r. Okay, it is a geometric series. And the common ratio, how can you find the common ratio, students? Second term by first term, third term by second term, like that. S square by 1 is s square. S power 4 by s square is s square. So r value is s square. Sine is lesser than 1. Sine square also lesser than 1. So finally the common ratio is lesser than 1. So we can apply this formula. Then only we can apply formula when common ratio is lesser than 1. Okay, fine. So what is r value, student? 1 by 1 minus
Sine square x.
1 by sine square. 1 minus sine square means shall I write cos square? Yes.
Sir, actually it should be a by 1 minus r, sir.
Yeah, a by, but a value is what?
1.
See, s square, at last I will multiply with s square, no problem.
Okay.
So what is a value? 1. So that, see, I am not taking other than 1. A value clearly 1. So that I directly written 1. When we can take as a, when the series is a plus ar square, okay, ar square plus ar cube plus so on. In that case, the sum of s infinity is a by 1 minus r. Is it clear? But I'm taking 1 plus r plus a value is 1. Okay, fine, student. This is just the value of 1 plus s square plus s4 4 plus so on. This value is 1 by c square. But we require e to the power of sine square into 1 plus sine square plus so on infinity into log 2. Am I right? Log 2. And this value they clearly given as 8. 8. So here we got e to the power of s square. This value we got just 1 by c square. Means 1 by cos square we got. It's an auto simplifying s infinity value is we got 1 by c square into log 2. Student, can anyone tell that here? Okay. So I want to do one thing here. Right. See, shall I write here? Since there is a formula, can anyone tell that what is the formula for m log a? M log a.
Log a to the power m.
Log.
A to the power m, sir. We should write m above log.
Right. Log a to the power of m. So it is in the form of C. This is can be written as e to the power of sine square by cos square is tan square x into log 2. Observe this. Now it is in the form of what? Yes, friends. This is a log, sorry, m log a. M value is tan square, a value is 2. Shall I write this value as e to the power of log 2 to the power of tan square x is equal to 8. Shall I write like this? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, this is clearly e log get cancelled. E and logarithmic always cancel. Left side is 2 power tan square x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. Shall I write 2 cube? Yes. So then comparing on both sides, tan square x is equal to 3. Then tan x is equal to plus or minus root 3. Question is what?
The tan x is positive in first quadrant, sir. They have given less than 90, so
Exactly, exactly. So we got two values, but the domain is domain 0 to 90, that is first quadrant. You should take as now tan x value as root 3, nothing but with help of this. So tan x is root 3, root 3 means root 3 by 1, so root 3. So opposite by adjacent, then hypotenuse is what, student?
2, sir.
2. Then from this, what is the question actually? Question is cos x by cos x plus sin x. You substitute here. Cos x is 1 by 2. Am I right? 1 by 2, right? Plus root 3 by 2, right? Sin x is root 3 by 2. Cos x is 1 by 2. Now take it LCM. 1 by 2 by LCM is denominator 1 plus root 3 whole divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Finally, we got 1 by 1 plus root 3. Is there any option 1 by 1 plus root 3?
Sir, we need to rationalize.
Yeah, there is no option 1 by 1 plus root 3, so that you can rationalize. Rationalizing with what? Root 3 minus 1. Highest value minus least value. That like that you can take. Otherwise, no problem. So if I take like this, see here, it is in the form of a plus b by a minus b. A value is root 3, b value is 1. So root 3 minus 1 by a square, that is root 3 square minus 1 square, that is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2, right? Root 3 minus 1 by 2, any option?
Sir, second option.
Second option, that's all, that's all. See, once again, all of you observe here. They given e to the power of s square plus s power 4. The question s power 4, s power 6, so on. First, I simplified this value. So we got tan square x. It is in the form of m log a. So we have written log 2 power tan square x. So e will be there. E log it cancel. 2 power tan x is equal to 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So tan square x value as 3. Tan x is equal to plus or minus root 3. But they given the x value from 0 to 90. That is in first quadrant. Tan is positive in first quadrant. So tan x value is plus root 3. So nothing but x value is what? X value is what? 60. Okay, 60. So then cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2, which is root 3 by 2. Just simplify, after that rationalize. You will get the required answer. Required
So
answer.
can you show the notes, sir, on it?
Yeah, sure. So you should be remembered the geometric series. So sum of infinite series which is belongs to geometric progression. Okay, I'll be post this slide in your classroom. No problem. Okay. All of you try to do the next one. Don't wait. Just do it. Next one. Cos x they given as tan y, like that.
So completed.
Completed. Right. Yeah, next question, students. This question they asked in 2014, right? Cos x is equal to tan y, cot y is equal to tangent. Okay. Then cot z is equal to tan x. And what is sin x? Sin x value they asked. Can you try the given condition? First, what are the given conditions? Going, tell me once. Yes. Cos x is equal
Sir,
to
cos x equal to tan y, sir.
tan.
Cos x equal to tan y, sir.
Y, sir.
Okay.
Full.
Sir, cot y equal to tan z, sir.
Tan z. Okay.
Cot z equal to tan x, sir.
Cot z is equal to tan
X, sir. What is sin x?
what is sin x? Yeah, students. X, Y, some relations are given, then how can you find this? Yes. See, students, from this second condition, shall I write here cot Y is equal to tan z as 1 by cot z? 1 by cot z. What is cot z, Amma? Cot z value. I'm taking the second condition. Second condition. Tangent I have written in terms of cot z because we know that cot z. What is cot z? Shall I write tan x? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And also cot y. Cot y shall I write 1 by tan y? Otherwise, you can equating the cot also, no problem at all. Okay. So 1 by finally 1 by tan y is equal to 1 by tan x we got, which implies, shall I write tan x is equal to tan y? Tan x is equal to tan y. Am I right? Students,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
if you very clear here, because tan y value, tan x, that tan y you can substitute first condition. Cos x is equal to tan y. Shall I write now? cos x is equal to tan x, because tan y value we got here tan x. Okay, then you have to equate. What's the meaning of the tan x? Simplify this. Cos x is equal to sin x by cos x. The cos x you can cross multiply. So cos square x is equal to sin x. Then cos square x can I write as 1 minus sin square x? Sin x. All values you can take it right side. Minus sin square becomes plus sin square x plus sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the question what they are asking? Sin x. Question is sin x value. See, we got quadratic equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so then a value is 1, b value is 1, c value is minus 1. Okay, see student, what is the x value? When how can you find the roots? X
Sir, quadratic formula.
What is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or
Minus
minus
b
root
plus
of?
or minus b square minus 4ac by 2e.
That's all. So here x, but in place of x here we are having sin x. Am I right? Sin x. With the help of this quadratic formula, can you find sin x? Sin x is equal to minus b. That is nothing but minus 1 plus or minus b square. B square value is 1 square minus 4. A value is 1, but c value minus 1 by 2a. So finally sin x value is sin x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 4 by 2. So student, sin x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over 5 by 2. See here we got two different answers, right? One is sin x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Another one is sin x is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, ma. Two different answers are there. What is your answer, ma?
Sir, root 5 minus 1 by 2.
Root 5.
Minus 1 by 2 option there, sir.
But why can't we? Is it a root of sin x? Is it lesser than? Okay, see, is it belongs to minus 1 to 1? See, sin range is minus
No,
1 to
sir.
1.
No, sir.
It is lesser than minus 1. It should not belongs to the given interval. Here, it doesn't belongs to the given interval, second value. So that always they'll give first value. Okay, ma? So the answer is second option. Next, sin theta plus cos theta is, yeah.
The fourth option, not second option.
Oh, fourth option. Okay, right. By 2 is enough. Right. Fourth option is correct. Okay, already found that root 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Fourth option, right? 27th one. P is given. P square minus 3. Just find.
Sir, how many can you go to previous?
Here.
Yes, sir, how many?
Why not? See, first few steps are important here. Tan y you can convert to in terms of x. With the help of these two conditions, I found tan y in terms of x. Then a substitute here, then we'll get the equation in terms of otherwise, why don't you do like this also? Alternative method. Why don't you multiply this LHS? No, not LHS. You can write in like tan z is equal to y terms. You can write it one side. Z terms you can write it another side. T. See, I'll explain here. Concentrate. So cos x, okay, cos x is equal to tan y. Fine. From the second one, tan z is equal to I am taking cot y. Third one is tan x is equal to, okay, cot z, you can keep it left side. Cot z is equal to tan x. Am I right? Why don't you multiply these three left side values and right side value, Mama? Multiply here all the left side values. Tangent into cot z 1. Left side you will get only cos x. Right side again. Right side also, what it will be cancelled? See, what about these values? Tan y into cot y 1, tan x alone. So cos x is equal to, you'll get directly tan x. If you confuse like that, you can do. If you have idea, better to multiply these three. Multiply, so finally cos x is equal to, you are going to get tan x, same condition directly. Sorry, then this condition. Both the ways you can do it. After that, same, you'll get a quadratic equation in terms of sine, then after find sin x. Next question. So p square minus 3. First you can find p square, then you can do minus 3, then multiply with p. You are going to get a answer in terms of q. Do it fast. Students, fastly. Okay, what is the like p square value? No?
Sir, 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta.
Okay, and now tell me, fastly student, what is p?
Sin theta plus cos theta
Sin theta.
plus cos theta.
Okay, sin theta plus cos theta. So s plus c, then p square. S square plus c square plus 2sc. This is 1, so p square is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2sc. So 2sc is equal to p square minus 1. Sc is equal to p square minus 1 by 2. Okay, sin theta into cos theta value we got as p square minus 1 by 2. Fine, students. Now q. What is q, student? SQ plus q value is what? Anyone? The question q they given as sin q plus cos q. Am I right? Clear? Okay. AQ plus BQ formula.
Sir, a plus b into a square plus ab
Yeah.
minus b square, I think, sir.
So that is nothing but s plus c the whole cube minus 3 s c into s.
Into C plus B. S plus.
Yeah, we can do in this way also. We can do in this way also because what about s plus c value? Q is equal to s plus c value is p. PQ minus 3 into s into c value. Just now we got p square minus 1 by 2. Am I right? Into p. Students, now q is equal to, take LCM. What is LCM? 2 here. PQ minus multiply with p here, 3 into PQ minus p. Okay. Then what about here? That's all. I'm taking LCM. Then q value 2q. So PQ minus 3PQ. Value is what? Students, minus 2PQ minus into minus plus 3P. Okay, just a minute. Okay, here the question is what? What is the value of, okay, right, p into p square minus 3. P into students, anyone? Anyone? If I take p is common here, okay, 2p cube plus 3p. When I take a minus p is common, we are going to get oh, student, here we have done mistake 2p cube. Am I right? When I take LCM, what you are observing here? What is the value of my here? 2p cube minus 3p cube. Otherwise, if you confuse, I'll write one step. It's not a difficult. 2p cube minus 3p cube minus 2 minus plus 3p all divided by 2. That 2 I cross multiply. Then after this is clearly equal to. So here 2 cube is equal to minus p cube plus 3p. Okay, then you can take minus p is common. P square minus 3. They are asking the value of what? Multiply with minus. 2q minus 2q is equal to minus 2 minus plus p into p square minus 3. What is the answer, Amma?
Minus 2.
Understood? Student, anyone? I found p square. Finally we got sin theta into cos theta is equal to p square minus 1 by 2. Then q s cube plus b cube. So this is can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. S plus c is p clearly, but s into c value we don't know. Here already we derived here. So s into c value is clearly p square minus 1 by 1. So when I simplify, just I'm simplifying, taking LCM and cross multiply, finally we got p into p square minus 3 is minus 2. So option 4 is the correct answer. Yeah, question number 28, 81 whole 4 sine square, 81 whole 4 cos square is equal to 30. So for what value of x it will be equal to 30? Option verification, fastly. Do it fast. So 81 can be written as 9 square. 9 square. Anyone? A simple option verification alone you can do it. 81 power sine square plus 81 power cos square. Then if I take x value, for example, different options are given 45 like that. Okay, when I take 30, first option 5 by 6. 5 by 6. What is sine 5 by 6?
1 by 6.
Sine 30.
Sin 30. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Then what is sine square? 1 by 4. Okay. Okay, what is
81 to the power 1 by 4 is 3, sir.
cos square is 3 by 4. Okay. Like 81. 81 shall I write like this? 3 power 4. When I take x is equal to 30, what is sine square value? You got it here. 1 by 4 shall I substitute? But here 3 power 4 whole power. What about cos square value? We got 3 by 4. Okay. 4 get cancelled. 4 get cancelled. Here 3 power 1. Here 3 power 3.
First option is correct, sir.
3 plus 3 cube 27. Shall I write 30? Is it satisfied the option? Yes or no? That's all. Option verification is alone the best method here. Okay. Otherwise, you know, what to do here? The cos square you can write as 1 minus sine square. Then after 81 power 1 into 81 power minus s square, that you can take into denominator. So you are going to get a quadratic equation in terms of sign again. So not required, just option verification enough. Then question number 29. Cosecant square is given like this. Then x comma y should not be 0 comma 0. See 0. If it is equal to 0, what will happen? 0 by 0, undefined. If we take both will be 0, 0, undefined will get. So you should not take that. Then students, option verification again.
Sin square alpha is equal to x plus y square by 4x.
Sorry, x.
The sin square alpha is equal to x plus y the whole square by 4x. Can you do it?
Okay, you written reciprocal. Okay, even if you substitute for example, first option, take x is equal to y here. Substitute here. What is the answer you are going to get? X is equal to y.
4xy by 4x square, sir, because x plus x
Okay.
means 2, it will become 2x whole square, 4xy by 4x square.
So finally, y by x you are going to get. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Cosec square alpha.
Square by 4x square equal to 1 you will get, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here the thing is, finally we got cosecant square is y by x. Am I right?
Sir, they have given x is equal to y.
Sir, y by x means 1, sir,
Okay.
which is not possible, sir, for cosec function.
Is it not possible y by x?
Sir, it is
Cosecant square is there.
Sir, it is possible, sir.
Hmm. See, you have to, if you think properly, otherwise, you know, you can solve, simply you can solve that. Okay. Simply we can solve that. So,
given the range for this cosecant square.
okay, we can do directly or else we can take as reciprocal, we'll get the answer. Here cosecant square is given. Cosecant square alpha is 4xy by x plus y whole square. Now, what about the cosecant? Graph of cosecant? The graph doesn't exist between 1 to minus 1. Am I right? It is exist above 1, below minus 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Cosecant, this is the graph. It doesn't exist minus 1 to plus 1. So, but here square will be there. Square will be there, nothing but cosecant square, nothing but we should not get negative value. We should get a positive value, that also should be either equal to 1 or greater than 1. So, cosecant square alpha always greater than or equal to 1. Shall I take like this? Now 4xy greater than or equal to x plus y the whole square. Okay, simplify this. That's all. 4xy. Okay, do it faster. Time is over.
That will become x minus y the whole square, sir.
Okay, you can take your 4xy right side. So 0 greater than x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, minus 2xy. So that is nothing but x minus y the whole square lesser than or equal to 0.
Sir, x minus y greater than less than or equal to 0. Sir.
So is lesser than 0 is possible to there, lesser than 0 x minus y. So you can give any value to x and y, it will be square. Square should not be negative.
Yes, sir.
See, x minus square value, they are saying that lesser than 0. Is it possible to get negative value when we square?
No, sir.
But we equal to 0, maybe chances will be
Yes,
there.
sir. If x and y are equal.
X and y are equal. So that x is equal to y, it is possibility is there. Right? Only the last question is there. You can try this. If possible, we'll go for the level 3 next class.